So I thought this would be a cooler video. We bought the twin full elevated bed frame at Walmart, 69 bucks. We've used them for all of our kids in the house. Really good, really easy. We thought it'd be kind of cool because our mattress doesn't take that. We use a full in the runaway, and we figured it wouldn't take up that much more room. Well, as you can see, it's not going to work. We have an 8-inch memory foam mattress we use, which will be above the windows. We've lost a lot of space because of this, which I know with the boys, there's a little bit of wiggle room all the way around. Yeah, it's pretty much the whole flipping camper. So it's going back to Walmart. We're just going to put the thing back down, figure out a base that'll work. I don't want to have a permanent base. I don't like the folding mattress futon-y type stuff because they're just uncomfortable for us the way we camp. Obviously, everybody doesn't camp the same way. So, just to show you, if you're thinking it's a good idea, it's a good idea if you want to sacrifice the room that it's going to take up. So, just a quick little review. It's easy to put together. I mean, it's put together in 5 minutes. Have your mattress on it, easy. 69 bucks is not that expensive. It's 14 inches high. It does allow you to have storage space under it, under both ends. You know, the middle, there's legs at the ends in the middle, but but the problem once again lies getting those storage bins out because you're only at probably 14, 16 inches here maybe. I'm not doing the math, I'm not measuring, but so yeah, it takes up a lot of room. So, needless to say, we're going to go ahead and take this out and put our mattress straight in, let it inflate up since it's the memory foam and it's a bed in a box. So there's a little review for you. Y'all have a good one.